Tonight I am parked by the sea. It is the one thing I've always wanted to do, and I'm not complaining. Okay, because I'm expecting to open the curtains in the morning and I can see the sea, and I'll be very happy. I'll be so happy. It'd be great to see the sea first thing in the morning. Go and dip my feet in the water, something like that. But it's very quiet round here, and I'm not complaining about that. Even though I'm inside the bus, the curtains are closed. The sea is very noisy at night. Can I just say that? And I didn't expect the sea to be... That sounds stupid, doesn't it? That really does sound stupid. That does sound stupid. No, that really does sound stupid. It really does. I didn't expect the sea to make any noise at night. It is very noisy. It's dark and it's noisy. And it's that same sound that you get when it's really windy. Except, of course, the bus is not shaking. So that's really weird. It is really weird that you get a sound that sounds like it's windy. But it's not. It's the sound of the sea. I know it's dark. But can you just hear the sound of the sea? Here's Joan. I know you can't see Joan really well, can you? There's a street light. I know, it's an interesting video, this. But that is the sound of the sea at night. Gosh, it's noisy. Isn't it noisy? I know, I should have expected it really, shouldn't I? Let's face it. I should have expected it. Hardly any wind blowing. I would show you the picture of the stars if you want to, but no, I won't come out. I can't even get you a picture of the sea because it's dark. It's night time. There is a few boy racers around here, but they're just enjoying themselves driving past, playing their music loud. But listen to the sea. No, I've decided I'm not going to moan about it. I'm not. Because it's the one thing I always wanted to do and always wanted to try. Now, just going to make sure that all her doors are locked. You can't see this one because it's the back door, which is not locked. I'll lock this door as well. There you go, they're all shut. Oh. And the boys are out in their cars. But at least you can hear the sound of the sea. I've got the lights on inside. Sort of. The wonders of nighttime videoing. Let's move my handset for the telly. Where's a handset for the telly? It's never in the right place. There we go.
If England did need their feet back on the ground, then the Dutch have obliged. Many positives for Roy Hodgson over the last few days.
I take it.
Beaten for the second time since the last World Cup. And they're not the finished article yet. Final thoughts.
Okay. So, football, England lost. Maybe it should have been Holland 2, England lost.